Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw application from Accenture. So if you have applied for any application at Accenture and now you want to withdraw that application, you can definitely do so. First of all, you will have to simply open your web browser and in the search bar, you need to search for accenture.com. Now once you are over here, you need to simply log in into your account, and once you are in your account, you will see all of the applications for which you have applied. Now in order to delete any of these, you will have to simply just right click on the one that you want to withdraw and select the option of withdraw applications. Now there would be some of the applications for which you won't be able to see the withdraw application option. If that's the case with you, I would recommend you to directly contact to the HR team and you can just ask them that you don't want to apply for this particular job post. The second thing that you can do is you can simply just tap on the three lines in the top left hand corner and tap on the contact us option. Over here you need to simply tap on the send a message and you need to fill out this form, which includes providing your first name, your last name, your email address which is connected with your Accenture account, then your phone number, your organization and bunch of other details. Now here in the how can we help section, you will have to just tell them that you want to withdraw any particular application, and after that you just have to submit this form. So Accenture India from their own end is going to withdraw the application for you. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to this channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.